I'm putting a stage 2 cam. I was looking into it, the airflow of the intake. I've been flowing motors all my life, so I know pretty much the technique of airflow for engines, but I was mostly worked on the two-stroke engines, snowmobiles, for example. I feel like I want to try that out, flow the heads. We're going to be doing that together and see my techniques, how I do it, what to be done and what not to be done. It's a light job I've done to do, but there's an improvement to be done. You notice, like over here, for example, and you can tell it's very rough. Okay, that's a casting bolt that make it rough like that. On a regular engine, that's either a EFI or a carburetor. Having a rough port like that is very efficient. When you have a direct engine, a motor, this is very bad for your airflow. The reason is, since it's rough, it limits the air quantity that goes in. Having a carburetor or fuel injection, conventional fuel injection, that creates turbulence. Okay, a lot of turbulence. It rolls. It turbulates on a little rugged surface. Okay, and that mixes up the gas with the oxygen way better than if it would be smooth. So usually, if you're gonna port an engine with a carburetor, you won't look for a polished job. You might oversize the hole, but you need to have a rough surface. Very important to have a good gas mixture. This engine is a direct fuel injection. There's no gas going through here. I can oversize my hole to a certain point, but I can make it way smoother so the air flows in smoothly. Now, the other thing that's important, since it's so long, you gotta be really careful because these things, they tend to bounce around. Then that thing can actually go off center and really like destroy your tool. But this tool is very expensive, like $70. Bounces around. I think I like it. I like it, the way you move on the floor. I'm gonna try to show you. That's what we're doing. Okay, on this side, try to show it close up. I'm gonna be working on taking this out and round out the edges of it. Well, on the exhaust side, there's not much to do, but I could round this off a little bit so the exhaust flows out better. Maybe open that up a little bit over here. This side is great. A little bump down here. But the exhaust is very good. Exhaust flow, you gotta be careful what we're taking out. Yeah, I have tendency to read that the camelback with the exhaust valve. That separates the exhaust, goes around the valve on the side. If I grind that up, it's gonna make like a wall. So let's just try to work on this little part here. What's the matter with you? You only have one job to do. It's being smoked properly. Can't even do that? Before, Elvis, way cleaner. Besides, it was nice and pointy. Okay, we took out this wall, so now it's more round. Then over here, doing a final cleanup, taking out all the gasket, make it nice and clean. And the final step is going to be installing the valves. Please like and subscribe. It means a lot to me. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.